Hi, I'm State Fire Marshal John Davin. When you change your clocks this weekend, be sure to check your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms too. Smoke and CO alarms are like any appliance. They don't last forever. Check the manufacturing date printed on the back of the device. Smoke alarms should be replaced after 10 years. Carbon monoxide alarms should be replaced after 5 to 7 years, depending on the model. If there's no date on the alarm, replace it right away. If your alarm takes alkaline batteries, change out the batteries twice a year when you change your clocks. If it's time to replace the alarm, select one with a sealed, long life battery and hush feature. Choose photoelectric alarms from a well-known national brand and look for the mark from an independent testing lab like UL or Intertek ETL. No matter what kind of alarms you have, test them once a month to be sure they're working properly. Smoke and carbon monoxide alarms can be the difference between life and death, especially when we're sleeping. So protect yourself and the people you care for. When you change your clocks, check your alarms.